Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Wine on your Ubuntu operating system and use it to install some exe file on your Ubuntu operating system. So if you don't know, Wine is a tool using which you can install Windows executable file on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's see how we can install it. So for this, you need to go to your favorite browser and search for winehq, which is the official website for Wine, right? So just enter winehq in search, and the first link which will appear here will be from winehq.org. So I'm going to click on this link. Here you can read about Wine. We want to download it, so just click on the download link here. And then you can choose the binaries. For Ubuntu, you can select this Ubuntu option, and then you can see the step-by-step guide to install the Wine on your Ubuntu operating system. So we're going to just copy these commands and paste it into our Ubuntu operating system. So for this, I need to open the terminal. For opening the terminal, I can just press Control Alt T on my keyboard, or I can just click on application section and I can see the terminal option here. Once the terminal is open, I can give this command, which I have copied, which is this first command. Let me just make it bigger so you can see all these commands here. So this is the command which I have copied and I have pasted this here. Okay. So now I'm going to press enter and give my Ubuntu's password, and then this is added. Now we need to give the next command, which is this command, which is going to create this directory in your Ubuntu operating system. Let me just paste this command and then press enter. Then give the next command, which is to get this winehq key. Let me just copy this and then paste this and then press enter. And this is added. Now, once you added the repository, depending on the version of Ubuntu you have, you can copy one of these links. So for me, I have Ubuntu 22.04. So I'm going to copy this line of command. If you have newer version, it will be listed here. So just copy the command for your Ubuntu version. As I said, I have Ubuntu 22.04. So I'm going to copy this command and then paste it into my terminal and then press enter. So once you have added this command and executed this command, you can see this command is executed successfully. So what this has done, this has downloaded the winehq source file. Now, in the next step, you need to give this command, which is sudo apt update. So it's going to update all the Ubuntu package indexes. And you can see this is also added now, right? So sudo apt update is finished. And now the last step is to install the Wine. So you can choose from these versions. I generally go with the stable branch, which is the first one. You can also try development branch or staging branch, but I will choose the stable branch from here. So I will copy this one and then paste it into my terminal and then press enter and then press Y, enter, which is going to install Wine on my Ubuntu operating system. So let's wait for it to finish. So once Wine is installed, you can try Wine and install any exe file. Let me clear the terminal, and then I will just write this Wine command here. And you can see Wine is working For using Wine, you need to give Wine and then the program name and then some arguments here, right? So let's download a Windows executable file, and then we will try to install that executable file in our Ubuntu operating system. So let's say I want to download Notepad++ on my Ubuntu operating system. As you might know, Notepad++ only comes in the form of Windows executable file, and we don't have the Ubuntu version for it, right? So I'm going to click on Download Notepad, and then I'm going to click on this installer option here. And you can see it downloads the .exe file. You also know that you can't install .exe file directly on your Linux operating system, right? So for this, you will need Wine. So this Notepad++ exe file is downloaded. I'm going to go to the location where it's downloaded, which is in my downloads folder. And this is the exe file which I have downloaded, right? I can right click here, and then I can click on open with other applications. And then I have this Wine Windows program loader here. So I can click on this option, which says Wine Windows program loader, and then click on select, which is going to load this exe file using Wine on my Ubuntu operating system. You can see Wine Mono installer, right? I can click on install, which is going to start downloading this installer, I think. So wait for some time, and then you will see this installer for Notepad++ is started, right? So even though it's an exe file, I can install this exe file on my Ubuntu operating system, right? So you can see the installation of Notepad++ is started, and I can choose the language, click on OK, and then click on Next, and then click on I agree. And this will be the default location. We will see the location also. Then click on Next, and then click on Next, and then click on Install. And Notepad++ will be installed, right? I can run this Notepad++ by leaving this checkbox as checked. Click on Finish, and it's going to launch Notepad++. Hopefully, you can see Notepad++ is started on your Ubuntu operating system using the exe file, right? If I go to the applications and search for Notepad++, I can see this Notepad++ is listed in my applications also. So I can use it normally as a normal Notepad++, and it works fine. Let me close this, go to my applications, search for Notepad++, and I can open this Notepad++ again using my applications, and everything is working fine. So this is how you can install Wine, and then using Wine install any executable on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.